Hello to you. My name is Maria Kądzielska and this is Poland Daily Culture. And in this episode, we will show you how to prepare and cook traditional Polish gingerbread. Because we are right now during the Advent time, which is the preparation and waiting for Christmas. And traditionally, already on the 6th of December, in Poland, we give each other small gifts, either to the members of the family or to our friends. And they could be self-made, the best when they are self-made. And to be honest, what is better than self-prepared cookies and gingerbread? Here with me are Victoria and Natalia, and they will show us and show to me how to cook and bake gingerbread. So what kind of ingredients do we need in order to bake gingerbread?
So we
Show this to me. What do we have here?
We need 2 flours. First is a wheat flour.
A wheat flour.
Yeah.
So can I already put it here?
Yes.
Okay, I'm doing it. I'm taking part in baking.
And then you mix it with this one.
This is the whole wheat flour, yes?
Yes.
So we add the whole wheat flour as well. Okay.
We add some powder.
And we have a baking powder as well. Okay. So I can add this. Do I need a spoon? Probably. Okay, I give it back to you.
Yes.
What else there is?
Cacao.
Cacao,
Yeah.
which we add as well. Yes, and have sugar.
Yes.
So that's powdered sugar, which means it's easier to melt, and we don't have the crisp beneath our
Exactly.
teeth.
And it's different with in taste, so
Okay, so it should be powdered sugar. Okay, can I already mix it?
you can mix it, but there is another ingredient which is very special.
Okay, and that is honey
Yes, and spices.
and spices. Tell me a little bit more about Polish honey. Why? I would say that in almost every recipe there's something about honey. Why?
Yes, it's because Poland is very famous for honey, and it's kind of heritage in Poland. So we try to use it as often as we can, and in this cake we also use it to make it more sweet, to make it special.
So, and that's also much healthier than traditional.
True.
I mean, than the sugar itself.
Yes.
Because even though it's sweet, it's, I would say, healthy sweet. Okay, so the last thing we should do is the spices. And here it is a little bit difficult, and a small difficulty. Okay, girls, so I would say, because we have to blend it, yes, as the ginger is blend. Well, Victoria, you try to make it yourself.
I can try. Okay. Oh, do you smell it?
I can smell
Yeah.
it. Okay.
Okay.
So here we blend all of those. Those are dry ingredients.
Yes.
then.
At the end we also have to add eggs. And honey.
Don't we need to do it a little bit more even? Like it shouldn't be,
Okay, maybe a little bit.
because then it should be powder, I think. Okay. Don't do it at home because it's a little bit dangerous, I would say, and very heavy. That's how we were doing this traditionally in Poland, powdering ingredients and things with very heavy hammer, which you could. A traditional Polish cook already had a weapon in her hand. So in order to powder it, it requires a lot of work. So that's what I'm doing right now. So when we manage to do it and don't have any problems and faults, we will show you in the next episode how to mix it all together with also wet ingredients and try to bake the cake itself. Hopefully we will manage, so keep the fingers crossed for us because that's not so easy as it seems. and watch us in another episode. Thank you very much for being with us and watching Poland Daily Culture.